Much of the equipment on this table is from my eBay purchase of a 1949 freight set, including a beautiful ZW transformer, along with two NW-2 switchers from the 1950s. See my earlier video for details on the extensive and challenging restoration of these battered pieces. The Chesapeake Ohio NW-2 runs surprisingly well now, both forward and reverse, considering that it started out as a non-functional wreck. Switching from outer siding to inner siding. Adjusting power for large track loop. Setting power for small track loop. Turn off power to outer siding. Turn on power to inner siding. The Seaboard 602 also runs quite well in both directions after resolution of an armature alignment problem that caused slow and noisy operation when running forward. I would like to give special thanks to O-Gauge Railroading Forum members for invaluable help in several of the repairs, particularly a clever fix for the broken sliding shoe on the 624 and a remedy for the poor forward operation on the 602. See the description in this video for links to these topics. It took many hours of repair work and tinkering to get this milk car working perfectly. I really enjoy this accessory. The wildly out-of-scale on-track pickup truck is an entertaining novelty item from 1995. This is the earliest 1935 version of the Automated Gateman. I have been searching for one of these at a reasonable price for several years. As with many pre-World War II models, this one has a chimney, embossed lettering on the toolbox, and a diamond-shaped brass crossing sign. The unique feature of the 1935 version is the latticed signpost, replaced with a solid post in the following year. The plastic fill house under construction and the imposing Union Station add interest to the layout. These 4 different lampposts from the 1930s, 40s, and 50s were an eBay bargain at only $4. Bulbs and globes and a couple of minor repairs brought them all back to fully functional condition. This elegant number 64 is my favorite. The two switcher engines illustrate the decline in quality at Lionel from the early to the late 1950s. The C&O 624, for example, has a heavy die-cast frame, metal operating couplers, front running lights, and an authentic wire railing on all sides. The Seaboard 602 has a simple sheet metal frame, plastic fixed couplers, no running lights, and railings only on the two ends. Moreover, the motor in the 624 has a much more rugged and durable design than the one in the 602. The attractive shells on both of them cleaned up really well. Unlike most Lionel tank cars, this 1949 model has a die-cast frame. I bought the Pickle Vat car from 1974 because my daughter saw one at a hobby shop and thought it was amusing. This deluxe model Caboose has a smokestack, ladders on both ends, toolboxes under the frame, lighting, window insert, and a rear coupler. I am very happy with the way this compact 5 foot by 3.5 foot layout turned out.